Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial video on how you can make your iPhone look like it's running an internal UI build. Basically that means it's a prototype build of iOS. Let's get into it. So for this tutorial I'm going to walk through 6 steps that I did to make this tutorial work. Now for step 1 basically I'm going to tell you about a few Cydia tweaks that you should install for this tutorial. So the first one is called Hidden Setting 7. So basically what this does is it gives you some of the internal settings that Apple uses to test stuff. So you're just going to want to hit install Continue Queuing. The next one you're going to want to go ahead and install is Hidden Setting 7 Icon. So just continue queuing that. InternalUI is another one. So basically this is going to give you the text that says confidential and proprietary, call this number. So you're just going to hit install, continue queuing. And then the last one you're going to want to do is internal photos. So just hit install and continue queuing. Go to queued, queue, confirm. So after it does the install process, basically you're just going to want to hit restart Springboard and it's going to do its thing. Now for step 2, basically you're just going to want to go to settings. You'll probably start off here. You're going to want to scroll all the way down and go to InternalUI. So this is so we can set up the text that says confidential and proprietary. So for the section that says declaration, you're going to want to go ahead and type confidential and proprietary. So I'll put that up on the screen. After you've typed in confidential and proprietary, you're going to want to go ahead and type call into the instructions section, and for contact you're going to want to type in the phone number that I put up on the screen, so I'll go ahead and show you that. So after that's done, you're going to want to go ahead and restart the settings panel for the Cydia tweak. It doesn't have a spring button, so you're just going to have to go ahead and restart. So after you've restarted, the message is gonna show up there. Now to access Hidden Setting 7, some of the internal settings that Apple uses basically, you're just going to swipe up to Control Center, and this new button will show up called Springboard Settings, so it'll bring this up, and you can do whatever you would do if you were an Apple engineer, and hit Done. And another tweak I showed you was Hidden Setting 7 Icon. So you can access Hidden Setting 7 just by clicking on the icon. So for step 3, I'm going to tell you about how we can enable the Cydia tweak we just installed called Internal Photos. It gives you some of the settings that Apple uses in the photos up on internal builds of iOS. So basically, for this one to work, you're going to need to have just a picture of something. You're going to want to go ahead and go to the Photos app, go to Albums, and add one. So having an album is required, so you can make the little gear icon show up that activates internal photos. So just type in something. You're just going to want to select one, done. It'll show up, and this gear icon will show up, so you can just go ahead and click it for those internal settings. And I'm not going to lie, I have no idea what that means, but let's move on. Now for step 4, I'd recommend that you add some photos of actual versions of internal UI. I recommend you do this so you can just look at a photo and make your device look totally real. So basically to do this, you're going to want to go ahead and go to my website. Browser lets it load. You're going to want to go ahead and scroll down to content. It's going to have to load its thing. Then you're going to hit articles. You're going to hit article categories. You're going to want to go ahead and hit tutorials. And then go ahead and click on my latest article. Scroll down to where you see pictures, and I have actual pictures. So just hold down on all 3 images to hit save image. And then after you do that, when you go to your Photos app, you're going to see the images. So they are optimized for 3.5 inch, so you can just scroll them out if you're on a 4-inch device. Let's move on. Now this is the last step of the tutorial, and this might be the easiest thing we're going to do. So I'm going to show you how to get one of the internal apps that Apple uses. You're just going to want to go to phone, be in the keypad. You're going to want to type *30001 pound 12345 #, and it's going to open this app called Field Test. So basically this will test out your cell tower connection. And unfortunately, if you don't have a SIM card or service on your device, it won't do anything. But it's still pretty cool. If you want to go to make it even more fun, you can add Field Test to your home screen. So once so you're going to want to go to the site I created. It's sites. So it'll bring this up. So you're just going to hit share at a home screen and title it Field Test with no space and a capital T. So basically you can open Field Test and you can get the key combination you can type in to get Field Test. That's the end of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and bye.